Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen Traveling Life crew? This is your boy J-Hen coming back with another Amazon unboxing. Check the description down below if you're interested in grabbing this item right here. This is a callus remover, rechargeable callus remover to help beautify your feet. It says 10 in 1, but then it also says 16 in 1 when you order it online. This is an electric foot callus remover made of high quality material, with an electric pedicure tool included and a cuticle remover. This has 2 speeds, and it has 3 roller heads. It comes with like a foot sander with 3 different scrub heads and 2 different speeds. It's fast charging, it's durable, and it's supposed to be long lasting, and you can use it. It's waterproof and water resistant, so you can use it on wet skin or dry skin. Let's go ahead, check it out, and check that description down below if you're interested in grabbing you one off of Amazon. And right out the box here, we'll see what all it comes with. So you do get the roller right here. It also has a digital display for the battery life, and it also has a light on it. It has its own light on it too. So as you can see, it already comes with one of the roller heads already on there, and then you have the 2 additional roller heads that you can attach. And then it comes with your charging cable cord right here. It doesn't have a wall block, but you can have get your own wall block to plug it up, and it's supposed to be fast charging. So we'll charge this up and then we'll come check it out. Then not only do you get this, you also get all of these items right here included with it. So you get the whole set, everything you need to get yourself right. You get this scrubbing cuticle scrubber right here. So this is where your 16 in 1 comes from. You get this nail and toe file in there. You can get that work in. You also get this right here. You can get your get this right here, so you can get in there, get all that work done you need to get done. You got them scrubbers, you get them feet right, get them calluses right. So you got all that stuff right here, you know. You got your little brush. Again, all that comes right there in that little box, you guys. Yeah. You got this little brush right here. You got these pieces right here. Comes with these. Got your little pieces right here. Got your little stuff right here. Get yourself right. Get yourself together. All that inside that box. Also with the digital display, it also has a little countdown right there. So when you're starting it up, and then you can see what the percentage is of the battery life. And then if you hold it, it counts you down and turns off like that. So it came out the box already fully charged. There you go. And you can see the light right there. You can push the button to change the speeds. You hear it as it's going up. That's 1 speed. There's a 2 speed. You can see the light, and then there's this nice button right here if you want to change the heads, replacement heads. You just push that and it pops off real easy. So there you guys go. You can get that work done on them feet. Get them feet right. Get them right.
So I did a quick test right there on my dry feet, and it did actually work and smoothed out some of the areas, as well as I used it after soaking my feet for a while, and it actually worked pretty good, you guys. Check the description down below. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.